Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Kalia, filling in for Adrian. Skeng, free of charges. The DJ yesterday saw his case for disorderly conduct and resisting arrest being dismissed by Judge Morris in the case management court. The incident took place last year at the Norman Manley International Airport. Police reported that Skeng was involved in a confrontation with officials at the airport. During the incident, he was allegedly pepper sprayed by the police. Now, all the charges were dropped against Skeng and two of his teammates. It is New Music Friday, and this one is a pleasant surprise. Valiant has switched things up with his latest release, Rasta, a fun-filled, good-spirited song. The video is already #1 and trending on YouTube and is filled with cameos from artists such as Javilani, Pablo YG, Kraft, Deep Joy, and TikTok influencers Kizadon and Nitro Immortal. Now, Valiant in the song took a jab at the recent Bounce Check saga, where calls were made for banning of the song that sparked a social debate around the lyrical content and the promotion of dunceness.
But them want ban me. You never know Babsy and me auntie. Want me stop the antics and show some artist badness. And me change up the game, just admit.
Valiant was named amongst the most listened to artists in Jamaica for 2022. Now, last year, his tracks Bounce Check and others commanded the top 5 spots on YouTube, top 10 for music. Vogue magazine also named him as one of 9 international musicians set to take over in 2023. Now, Valiant last week performed in Guyana. The artist took time out to visit some of the more impoverished communities where he was seen gifting children. The RJ Gleaner cross-country invasion wraps this weekend. Tonight is all about Portmore, so see you at Hits 92 for the Street Jam at Ken's Wildflower, featuring a special performance from Maestro Don. Then on Saturday, come out to the Sports and Family Fun Day at Port Esquivel Sports Complex in Old Harbour, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the roadshow will make stops in Port Royal, Linstead, and Spanish Town, so you don't want to miss the performances from Serrani, Nesbeth, The Angel, Mr. Lex, and a host of other artists. Join us as we wrap Cross Country 2023. I'm Kalia with your weekend E-Prime. Keep safe on the road.